So over here you can see that I am in my inbox, and here you can see that I have a list of mails. And over here you can see that some of them are bold while others are not. The ones which are regular, that is not bold, are the ones that I have read. But the ones that are bold are the ones that I have not read. So let's say, for example, if I were to double click it, then I have read this email, and now you can see that it turns into a regular text. Let's just go around onto security alert right here, and then you can see that that turns into regular text. But let's say I want to mark some of these as unread, and in that case, what you can simply do is you can go ahead and right click right here, just like this, and then you can go ahead and mark this out by unread as well, just like this. So you can see that that has been marked as unread, and similarly you can go around mark this as unread around over here as well. So what you can also do is, let's say for example I've already read this, or I don't want to read it, then I can simply go around and then mark this out as read as well. So that is what you have. So you can go around and mark, let's say for example, all read right here, and every email will be marked read right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you can go around and say as read by date and so forth, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and mark out emails as unread or read as you like inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.